Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will begin by targeting the source of automatic ads, so open the browser or app where ads appear and sign into any relevant accounts. Once done, check installed extensions and apps for unknown items. These often inject ads. Install a reputable ad blocking extension or an app-level blocker now, and enable it. Make sure to grant only the permissions needed. Next, disable unnecessary notifications and revoke permissions from apps that can overlay content, because that cuts off many ad vectors early. Now configure deeper layers. Open the ad blocker and switch to aggressive or privacy-oriented filter lists, then whitelist essential sites. Simultaneously, go to Google or Apple ad settings and disable personalized ads. Doing so reduces targeted pop-ups. For system-wide control, change your DNS to a privacy blocker or install a hosts file that blocks ad domains. Also, scan installed extensions and remove any that remain suspicious, because browser extensions are a common middleman for persistent automatic ads. Finish by clearing browser caches and restarting the device. Many ad scripts persist in cache, so this often fixes lingering ads. Test different browsers and devices to confirm whether the issue is local or account-based. If ads continue, run a malware scan and reboot into safe mode to remove stubborn adware. If you still see automatic ads, disable extensions one by one to isolate the culprit, and as a last resort, restore factory settings. Backup data first, because that resolves entrenched system-level adware.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.